Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a text behind moving objects. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in CapCut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding text behind moving objects in CapCut is a cool effect that can make your video more dynamic. To achieve this, you'll need to use keyframes and overlay layers to create the illusion of the text appearing behind the moving objects. So once you open the CapCut on your platform, you might want to click the create a new project to begin your work and start from scratch. But if you have already a project in place, just click on it to begin editing. So I'm basically working with this specific project and I wanted to create a text effect behind the moving objects. So what I'm going to do is go to the project and I'm going to add a moving object here by going to the library, and maybe I'm going to try to search for something like run. And then maybe I'm going to be choosing this one instead. I'm going to drag this on our timeline, right? So I'm going to scrub this right here. So we have like one running object right here, and then we're going to add our text. Click the text button here on top, and I'm gonna put in something like a default text for it. Click the plus button. Our default text is gonna be this. All right, so with that being said, we're gonna choose a different style. Maybe this right here. Maybe this one, kind of like a subtle. You can make it big, and then just rearrange the text that it synchronizes with the length of your video. And then I need you to copy the video right here by pressing Ctrl+C or Command+C on Mac, so we can create another copy, and we're going to drag this on top. So we're gonna sandwich the text. And then once that in place, I want you to click the video, and then here go to the remove background, click the auto removal. See, it's kind of easy, right? What will happen is if you play that through, we were successful in adding a text behind the moving objects. It's far from perfect, but if you want to create a seamless text behind it, just click the Pro button, which we don't have the capacity. And of course, you can rearrange the text if you want. If it's too big, you can somehow create something like that and place it just beside the video. It's up to you. You can be creative. You can add an animation so that the text is moving alongside the video that is moving. All right. Basically, that's how it's done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in the next video.